Good morning, JDM family. It's your boy Austin. It is super early in the morning. It's 7 a.m. If you know me, I don't wake up earlier than 10. So I'm running on an hour of sleep right now. Thanks, Derek. I blame you, bro, because you're flying in about 5 hours, and I'm super excited for that. But last night, let me explain what happened. I didn't even film it because I was just trying to get it done. Here she is. Last night, I was chilling, and the radiator hose pops off, which, yes, it was broken before, it was leaking before, but it just finally went. So right there, brand new radiator hose. Tag expired at midnight, so I'm like, okay, now I'm worried about getting this thing home. And I drove it home after it leaked out all the distilled water out of the radiator. There's a 24-hour AutoZone here, and I went there, bought the hose for it, tried it, ended up being the wrong hose. Couldn't return it because I cut it to make it fit, but it didn't fit. And then I drove back, got the right hose. It literally went straight on. Bought some coolant, filled it up. I tried to burble it, but it was like being really weird. It's the first time I've ever had to do that to coolant. I've never actually tried to do that before, and it was just bubbling a lot, and it was just overflowing a lot. And that might be because of the blown head gasket issue. I'm sorry if I'm so tired right now. I can't even function right now. I'm just trying to remember. I ended up getting done around 4:30 in the morning, falling asleep around 5:30, and I just woke up at 7. So it's gonna be a long day. She's fixed for right now. Tino is on his way here. I need a passenger front tire because I looked at it and there's wires showing. On the other side, it's right there, it wasn't that bad, but on the other side of the tire, it was bad. There's wires, and we're gonna go get the tire fixed. After we get the tire fixed, we are going to emissions, and we're going to the DMV. We're getting this thing registered. We are last minute prepping this car, so I'm able to drive it this whole time that Derek's in town. And I hope, knock on wood, nothing else breaks. But for right now, this should be the only issues. I'll see you guys when Tino gets here. Well, we are at the emissions place right now. I was sitting here and my temps were going up as I turned on the heater, and it's helping. I hope the coolant issue is fine. I'm not really sure, but I kind of want to see this guy get in and out of this thing because it's kind of low. That'd be kind of funny, dude. I'm not even gonna lie. But yeah, I'll update you guys if we pass or fail. All right, boys, we made 80 horsepower. Okay, so your boy failed emissions. So it's supposed to be 2.50, but it failed 2.51. So now he's offering me all this mechanic work and everything like that. And he's like, well, you get a free retest when you come back. And it's like, dude, really, bro? 0.01,
Yeah, 0.1.
All right, guys, I brought my car to Discount Tire. I actually just got my tire replaced. It feels 110% better. I'm on my way right now. I got Tino following me behind me, and we're going to pick up Derek. So get ready, boy.
What's going on, JDM fam? So I actually just got home from work, and it's about midnight right now, and I am super stoked, you guys. I finally go get to see Austin, which is the other owner of Extrajdm. I'm going out to Arizona first thing in the morning. I'll catch you guys once I'm at the airport and all that. But I just wanted to say, I am so excited. I finally get to go see him. He moved out there in July, and I haven't seen him since. And I haven't even experienced the Arizona car scene at all. But I'm just so hyped. I'll catch you guys at the airport. All right, so I just woke up and I'm heading to the airport now. It's about 7:30 in the morning. I got like no sleep, but I'm excited and it's gonna be fun. I can't wait.
Get top designer, she eat it like she piranha, shoot shit up like this. Rwanda, swing that blade like I'm katana. Yo, bitch, I'm a boy. Then duck so season soy. Ran she and sing, she know that hit that back, so you get your boy bands. I might fuck your bitch. Fuck her.
All right, guys. So we just got to the airport. I'm waiting on Derek to come out. I have no idea where he's at right now. I think he's getting his bag or something. I'll start filming when I see him though. I got Tino back behind me and it's gonna be fun. What's up, bro? Alright.
Hey, you got gang? Finally met up with him. Finally, bro. Woo! Hey, we in Arizona now. Too bad this thing can't keep up, bro. God damn. Woo, boy.
Fucking Arizona driver.
Saving lives.
Go, fucker!
Must be nice to have auto. Dude, this is sick.
Dude, videos don't do as fucking justice of his car, dude.
Bro, it really doesn't. I actually like it so much better in person.
It's still chopping though.
Same thing with Tino's. Like, Tino's looks more Clapton on video. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, cars just don't do justice in video. Dude, Arizona is not justice in video.
I know, dude.
Bro, it's like really not. Like, when I was landing and I saw all the mountains and shit, I was like,
This shit's way louder in person than it is in video.
dude, hell yeah.
Fucking me out of sick.
You excited for the next couple days, bro?
Yes, bro.
Dude.
I got some shit planned tonight.
Hell yeah.
Fucking 22, bro. Finally 22.
Hell yeah, happy birthday, bro. I wanted to wait. I didn't want to say it over the phone.
Tino said I look like a douchebag with my snapback.
You always look like a douchebag. let the roast sessions begin.
I know.
They're not ready for it.
Dude, I'm in a red Miata with a pink shirt.
Well, you do start all the gay jokes, so.
Dude, my throat's so dry, dude. I've been breathing
Dude, I know. I've been
oil smoke for like the last hour.
Bro, I've been having airplane AC on me.
Yeah, dude.
And it was hot, bro. Oh yeah, so this weather is it's freezing, right? You need a hoodie? Yeah.
Give it like
Looking.
Give it like 2 more hours.
Bro, trumpet gang over there. I'm trying to talk.
Give it like 2 more hours, it'll be cold.
Alright guys, it is the next day and I got Derek with me. What's up guys? So here's what we're doing, bro. We are jacking this Miata up because this morning I ran out of brakes completely. And when this morning I started the car and I pressed the brakes, it went completely to the floor. And I know my brake line is leaking just because there's a hole in it and fluid always leaks out. So, are you guys down to fix it?
Yeah.
Let's do it. What's up?
Yesterday, man, we were trying to just chill because like we were tired, exhausted, both running on like no sleep. But yeah, let's get this done. I'm excited for tonight.
Yeah, I'm excited for tonight. There's a lot going on. It's just one thing after another with this car. Like every single day I fix something, the next day something else breaks, and
Sounds like the fit.
yeah, it does sound like the fit. I'm sorry, Connor, but
Just always something else.
I know, dude. So
You guys buying clap cars?
clap cars, bro. But hey, we'll figure it out, dude. It's just, just little things, man. All right, guys. So I just figured out that the passenger rear caliper is bad. I did just call AutoZone, and they have it in stock for like $55. This line right here, the rubber housing is ripped. Shut up, bro. The rubber housing is ripped, but the stainless steel line I think is okay. So I think if I just replace the caliper, I could possibly reuse that line. but it's like super sludgy and everything like that. Like it just looks so bad. But
You want to know my take on it? From coming here to Arizona from Chicago and not seeing the car
what?
only on video,
What?
clapped.
Dude, dude, okay.
No, okay, for real, like, for you guys back in Chicago, like all my friends. So honestly, like in video, this car looks way more clapped, but it's not that bad. Like,
It's
I honestly
not.
love it, and
It's a fun car, dude.
it's gonna be like fun to like work on and fix it up, and like it's gonna look nice soon. Like,
Yeah, pretty soon. I mean, it's just the little stuff that's like really crucial of driving it. And then like once I get this all fixed, I can start doing like cosmetic stuff. Like this bumper needs to be replaced. Like, what does this guy drift tap it? Like, dude, seriously, like.
I mean, if he is bad as a drifter as you, I would. Think
Dude, okay, it's not my fault. Tino Z's auto.
dude, it's your fault. I like, bro, you can't even slide.
All right. But, okay, the next thing is
The
a
next thing
welded
is
diff.
Just everything on the car just needs to be like rebuilt and redone. So like, keep it at that simple. Like, you know, this part. Like, no, the whole fucking car, like itself, just needs to be like it's mint, like it's clean, like it's mint, dude. Like I like it. Like, I mean, Miata, bro. Like it's a build car. Like you
Yeah.
have to do a lot of stuff to it, but at the end, it's gonna look nice.
Yeah.
But
It's
I mean,
just like
it's just overall like the whole car just needs to be like
fixed.
redone.
I mean, for the price I got, like,
But the price, yeah, like I mean, Miatas, to be real, like they're all clapped when you first buy them.
yeah, unless you get like a super
Unless you get,
clean
like,
one
yeah.
for like $4 or $5 grand. Like,
Right.
I ain't.
Which is like, who's gonna buy a 90 something for like 4 or 5 grand?
Exactly, and all the ones that I were looking at had like
The whole
200,000+ miles, and like this one's only at 155K for a 90.
Dude, for like the whole point of buying a project car is to have it be a project built, not bought. Like buy something
Like,
that's already clean. Like just
exactly.
work on it yourself, experience everything. Like it's the whole point of the channel too. Like we wouldn't have if he had got a fresh Miata like clean and everything. We wouldn't have content.
There would be no
There would
content.
be no videos. Like we're doing this for you guys.
Pretty much, and I still have the Civic as a daily. I'm not getting rid of that. So like
Exactly.
moments like this when I brakes, I could just drive the Civic to AutoZone, grab the part, put it on, and then drive this again. Like it's nice. So yeah, we'll fix that, and I'll touch up with you guys soon. All right, boys, we ended up getting a brand new caliper. We're gonna put this on here, and yeah, just get to work, dude. It's not that hard. It probably took about 15 minutes to kind of figure it out and take it off and everything like that, but it's coming along. Great. I'm over here touching my hair with black shit on my hands.
Dude, you're gonna be smelling awful.
I know, dude. Look at me.
Here, get the fucking tire on. Let's go.
Dude, I gotta connect the lines,
Get the
asshole.
lines on.
How do you want me to put the tire on before I connect the brake line? Right there?
Yeah, you took it off.
I don't remember how it goes.
Oh.
I don't remember at all, dude.
This is why I do all your work.
Oh, here we go. Wait. Hold on, give me the 14 mil. 14 mil! Thank you, Dad. This sucks, dude. I'm never doing brakes on this car again.
No, this shit's clapped.
First of all, no, it's clapped. First of all, it wouldn't be our fault if she didn't give us the wrong part. How tight are these supposed to be? Probably not that tight.
Just where it doesn't fucking come off.
Well, I cranked it. Like an idiot.
Well, if you have brake problems, not my fault.
The line needs to be replaced anyway, I feel like.
Yeah, well, I think so. Look how it's being fluid everywhere. Oh my
Dude,
dude,
can you not put it? You can't put it through the hole, dude.
let's go. Why are you taking so long? Brakes aren't going to do themselves.
Dude, it's not threading in.
He's not threading in.
I mean, it's not threading in. Oh, there it goes. Dude, it's not the wrong size.
What do you mean?
Oh my. I think it's this one.
No, it's 12.
You just had. Dude, my foot is killing me, bro.
Here.
I'm over it. Hey, should we test it? Dude, it doesn't fit.
Shut the fuck up.
It doesn't fit.
No, it does.
No, it doesn't.
It doesn't fit?
No, it doesn't fit. They was the wrong.
Alright guys, so oh my god, it's been
a long day doing these brakes. You know, like they bought the wrong part, and blame AutoZone for it, but they definitely bought the wrong part, and they don't know. Bro,
Okay.
Yeah, no,
The
you guys
lady
are just
at
retarded.
AutoZone-
I don't think, don't ever have Austin work on your car or Tino, because
Hold on, bro. The lady at AutoZone.
we're supposed to be at a meet. I came
Stop
to
cutting me off.
I came to Arizona to go to a meet, and instead we've been working on brakes all day.
Hey, you have to get in there.
But at least
You
I've
have
been
to get in
chilling.
there. Sit in there. Shit, that's it.
Go to Arizona, they said.
Hold the brake.
We're gonna go to a ton of meets,
the
they
brakes before.
said. No. Oh my god.
Pump it. Keep pumping. Okay, stop. Or pump 5 times slowly all the way to the floor. 4, 5. Okay. And let go. Push it to the floor and hold. Okay. Pump 5 times. That's like 10, but okay, so push to the floor and hold.
Oh my
Push to the floor and hold. Okay, pump.
All right, guys. So yeah, I think that's gonna end it for our first video. My first time in Arizona. My first day was actually yesterday, and then we've been doing the Miata. We did a bunch of fun stuff last night and everything, but we've been doing the Miata today, and we're gonna go to a couple of meets. I'm just gonna enjoy the rest of my time here for today, and then I'm going to record some other stuff, what's going on for my next couple days in Arizona, maybe this meet or something. But for this video, that's probably gonna end it here. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned. I'm having a great time in Arizona so far. Austin, we'll see him in the next video.
See you guys.
All right, peace.